Driving at night feels completely different when the cabin lighting actually matches the mood of the road. Modern car LED lights are no longer just flashy accessories for show cars. They have become part of the driving experience, adding comfort, style, visibility, and personality to everything from daily commuters to off-road builds. Some focus on clean ambient lighting, while others turn an entire vehicle into a moving light show. These are the top 5 car LED lights ranked by quality, performance, durability, and real-world usability in 2026. Number 1. Govee Smart RGB Car Lights. The Govee Smart Car LED lights continue to dominate the interior lighting category because they combine strong brightness, reliable app control, and excellent customization in one affordable package. The two-line design helps reduce cable clutter compared to traditional 4-strip setups, making the installation look cleaner and more organized inside the cabin. Once installed under the dashboard and seats, the lighting spreads evenly without creating distracting hotspots. The app experience is one of the biggest reasons these lights stand out. Through Bluetooth control, users can access millions of RGB color combinations, create custom lighting patterns, and save DIY presets for different moods or driving situations. The transition effects feel smooth rather than choppy, and the brightness remains consistent even during long nighttime drives. Music sync mode reacts quickly to bass and rhythm, turning ordinary drives into a much more immersive experience. Build quality is also impressive for the price range. The flexible strips handle bends well without peeling easily, while the adhesive backing stays secure on most dashboard materials. The included 12V car charger connection makes setup beginner-friendly without requiring advanced wiring skills. Another advantage is low power consumption, meaning the lights add atmosphere without putting heavy strain on the vehicle's electrical system. For drivers wanting premium ambient lighting without overspending, Govee delivers one of the most balanced combinations of quality, smart features, and everyday reliability available today. Number 2. OPT7 Aura Interior Car Lights. The OPT7 Aura Interior Car Lights are designed for drivers who prefer smoother and more refined ambient lighting rather than overly aggressive brightness. Right away, the neon-style glow creates a softer premium atmosphere inside the vehicle, especially during nighttime driving. The 4 single LED strips distribute light evenly throughout the cabin, giving interiors a cleaner luxury-inspired appearance similar to higher-end factory ambient lighting systems. One of the strongest features is the responsive music sync functionality. Instead of random flashing, the lighting reacts with better rhythm accuracy, making songs feel more connected to the interior environment. Whether driving through city streets or parked during late-night gatherings, the lighting transitions remain fluid and visually balanced. The included remote control also makes quick color changes easier without needing to constantly open a smartphone app. Durability feels solid throughout the entire kit. The strips are flexible but sturdy, and the protective coating helps resist heat buildup during longer use sessions. Installation is straightforward because the compact strips tuck easily beneath dashboards, seats, and center consoles without becoming overly visible during daytime driving. The wiring design also looks cleaner than many cheaper LED kits that leave excess cables exposed around the interior. Another important detail is color richness. The RGB output appears deep and vibrant instead of washed out, particularly with blue, purple, and red tones. For drivers wanting smooth ambient lighting that feels stylish rather than overpowering, the OPT7 Aura Kit creates an upscale driving atmosphere that works exceptionally well in modern interiors. 3. Nilight RGB Interior Lights. The Nilight RGB interior lights focus heavily on customization, making them ideal for drivers who enjoy constantly changing their vehicle's interior appearance. Through app control, users gain access to 16 million color combinations along with multiple scene presets designed for relaxed driving, party-style lighting, or subtle nighttime ambiance. The flexibility of the system gives the cabin a more personalized character compared to basic single-color setups. The music sync mode performs surprisingly well at this price point. The built-in microphone reacts quickly to surrounding sound, allowing the lights to pulse naturally alongside bass-heavy tracks and faster music. Unlike lower quality systems that flicker inconsistently, these transitions feel smoother and more controlled during real-world use. Brightness levels are also adjustable enough for both subtle ambient glow and more vibrant lighting effects when desired. Physically, the strips remain lightweight and flexible, which helps during installation around curved dashboard sections or underseats. The adhesive backing secures firmly when applied to clean surfaces, reducing the chance of sagging over time. Compatibility across cars, SUVs, and trucks also makes the kit versatile for different vehicle sizes and cabin layouts. Another benefit is overall value. Despite being more budget-friendly than premium competitors, Nilight still delivers strong brightness, wide color variety, and dependable operation for everyday driving. For users wanting customizable interior lighting with modern app functionality while keeping costs reasonable, this setup offers impressive versatility without feeling cheaply made. 4. Xprite RGB Rock Lights Kit. The Xprite Bluetooth RGB Rock Lights kit takes automotive lighting beyond the interior and transforms the entire exterior presence of a vehicle. Designed primarily for off-road trucks, SUVs, ATVs, UTVs, and lifted builds, this 10-piece setup creates a dramatic underglow effect that stands out immediately at night. Whether mounted around wheel wells, underbody sections, or frame rails, the lighting coverage feels aggressive and attention-grabbing. The brightness output here is significantly stronger than typical interior LED kits. Each pod produces vivid illumination with rich RGB color depth that remains visible even in outdoor environments with nearby street lighting. Music flashing mode adds another layer of customization, syncing exterior lighting effects with audio for car meets, events, or nighttime off-road gatherings. The included ARF controller and Bluetooth connectivity provide flexible control options depending on user preference. Durability is one of the biggest reasons this kit earns serious attention. The lights are built to handle mud, rain, dirt, rocks, and harsh outdoor conditions far better than standard decorative strips. Waterproof housing and reinforced construction help the pods survive rough trails and unpredictable weather without failing prematurely. Wiring quality also feels heavier duty compared to cheaper underglow alternatives. Installation requires more effort because of the multi-light setup and exterior mounting positions, but the final result completely changes how a vehicle looks after dark. For off-road enthusiasts and truck owners wanting bold exterior lighting with strong durability, Xprite delivers a rugged and visually striking package that feels built for real adventure use. 5. Winzwon USB RGB Car Lights. The Winzwon LED Car Lights prove that simple lighting upgrades can still make a noticeable difference inside a vehicle. Unlike hardwired systems, these USB-powered lights focus on convenience and accessibility, making them especially popular for drivers wanting fast installation without complicated wiring. Plugging directly into a USB port allows the lights to work in cars, trucks, and even portable setups within seconds. Despite the smaller size, the rig lighting remains surprisingly vibrant. Through app control, users can switch between multiple colors, brightness levels, and lighting effects depending on mood or driving conditions. The compact design works particularly well around cup holders, footwells, center consoles, and smaller cabin areas where large LED strips may look excessive. For younger drivers or anyone wanting a cleaner decorative touch, the lighting feels modern without overwhelming the interior. The lightweight build also improves flexibility. Since there are fewer wires involved, installation looks cleaner and easier to manage compared to larger kits. The LEDs generate very little heat during extended use, which helps maintain consistent performance over time. Music sync features still respond effectively despite the smaller system size, adding dynamic lighting movement during nighttime drives. What makes this kit appealing is its balance between affordability and simplicity. It may not offer the extreme brightness of premium systems, but for casual drivers wanting stylish, customizable lighting without permanent installation, the Winzwon setup provides an easy and practical upgrade that fits naturally into everyday driving. Good car LED lights do more than just add color. They change the atmosphere inside and outside a vehicle, improve nighttime aesthetics, and make driving feel far more personalized. Some setups focus on luxury ambient lighting, while others deliver aggressive off-road underglow effects built to stand out. These top 5 LED lighting kits for 2026 each offer something different depending on driving style, vehicle type, and customization goals, making them some of the strongest lighting upgrades available right now.